In today's video, we will be creating this kind of 3D text design using Adobe Photoshop. This design is fully customizable. You can change the background color, you can change the color of extrusion, and you can also change the color of the text face. And the best thing is you can also edit the text. If you want to download the project file or template, check the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. Now let's jump to the Photoshop and get started. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop, and the first thing that we need to do is to create new document. The size is 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Click on create. Create new gradient adjustment layer for the background. Select this black and white gradient and click here to edit it. Select this point. Let's make it a little darker and then hit OK. Change its style to radial. Increase its scale to about 480. Check the reverse option and then hit OK. Delete this background layer because we don't need it. To colorize the background, let's create new solid color adjustment layer on top of it and pick any color that you like. Change its blend mode to color. Let's rename it BG color. Now select both layers and put them in a group by pressing Ctrl G. Let's call it background. Next, select the type tool. Click anywhere on the canvas and type whatever you want. Click on this icon to confirm it. Pick the move tool and align it to the center. If you want to perfectly align it to the center, click on these three dots and change it from selection to canvas. Now click on align horizontal center and align vertical center. It will align the selected layer perfectly into the center. Now convert the layer into a smart object so we can edit it later. Let's call it text face. To give it a custom color, let's create new solid color adjustment layer on top of it and pick white color. Right click on it and choose create clipping mask. Also remove this layer mask from it because we don't need it. Let's rename it face color. Select this layer, hold Alt key on your keyboard and drag this layer to the top to duplicate it. Also put it in a group by pressing Ctrl G. Rename the group 3D Extrusion. Now drag and drop this layer beneath the text face layer and select this layer. Now in order to extrude it and make it 3D, we will be using a free Photoshop action which you can download from the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. Once you download it, unzip it and double click on it. Photoshop will automatically install it. Now go to the action panel and there we have. To use it, first of all choose an angle in which you want to extrude your subject. In my case, I want to extrude my text in this direction. So I need to choose this action. Now play this action few times. When you are happy with the size of extrusion, stop it and scroll back to the top. Collapse it. Let's create new solid color adjustment layer on top of it. You can choose any color that you like, but I'm going with very bright bluish color. Right click on it and choose create clipping mask so that it will limit only the layer beneath it. Remove the layer mask from it because we do need it. Let's call it extrusion color. Now in order to create the shadow, open this group, scroll down to the bottom. Select this layer, hold Alt or Option key on your keyboard and drag it down to duplicate the layer. Let's rename it shadow. Right click on the layer and choose blending option. Drop down its fill to 0% and click on drop shadow. Hit OK when you are happy with the settings. And now it is done. You can change the background color, just double click on this layer and here you can change the background color. If you want to change the extrusion color, double click on this layer and you can change it. Let's create a hue and saturation adjustment layer on top of it. And by moving this slider, we can change its color. You can also edit the text. Just double click on this layer, it will open another document. And here you can edit the text. Close the document when you are done and save it. Photoshop will update everything for you. You can also use your logo. Double click on it and here you can place your logo. Close the document and save it. And Photoshop will do everything for you. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this kind of text effect, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.